Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for a fluid pouring video today. I'm going to show you a simple recipe that I have. It is so quick and easy, and it will guarantee you sales every time. So all I have in this mix is Floetrol from Owatrol. I've got golden fluid acrylics in there, a few drops of that because they're highly pigmented, and I'm going to use 3-4 drops of my hair serum that has the ingredient dimethicone in there. That's all that you need for a basic pour, and you are guaranteed, I promise you, you will get sales every time. So I've got this, I did this painting of a lion with Winsor & Newton acrylic paints, and I thought, why not jazz it up a bit and add an acrylic pour around it. So I'm going to do just that, and I will link all the colors that I used from Golden Fluid Acrylics and everything that I've used down below in my description box, so please check that out. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always leave them in the comment box, and I will try my best to answer them for you. So for this portrait, I'm framing it with an ivory black, and the ivory black mix is ivory black craft paint, and it's mixed with Floetrol, and there is no dimethicone in there because all the other colors have that, so there's no point in overloading dimethicone. So that's all that's to it, and I've just circled the paint around the portrait, and I'm going to use my palette knife to spread the paint out, and you will see at the end that the cells are just amazing. Every time I've used this combination of just these 3 ingredients, I have always got cells. So for those who are struggling with getting cells, I recommend Owatrol Floetrol. I recommend using golden fluid acrylics and a hair serum that has the ingredient dimethicone in there, and you will get the best results. Also, when I finished the pour, I let it dry, and I added some ivory black from Winsor & Newton to make the image pop from the background of the pour, because I didn't want it to kind of dissolve into the pour because it's so rich and vibrant. So I added a border, a background with ivory black, and also added some hair using my Nova Paint marker from Nova Paints, and Brady, that's all I did. So do let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. I would be so happy to hear from you, and until my next video, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.